Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your password of Slack account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the password of your Slack, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer. Then after that, just simply open the site of my.slack.com/account/setting. Then after opening this site, this page will appear into your screen. You just simply have to tap into this expand option besides your password, and then just simply enter your current password into this first box. Then enter the new password that you want to set into the second box. Then after doing this very easy steps, just simply tap into this save password button and your password will successfully be changed into your Slack account. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.